Easter is coming past this year, and I literally did not get one single Easter egg. Those kids, they found literally everything. So to make up for it, I'm going to make my own Easter egg. And what's the surprise inside? Drunkenness. So let's make this happen. Martini shaker with ice. 1 shot cream de cocoa. 1 shot butter shots. 1 shot amaretto. And 1 shot grenadine. Top that off with some whole milk. A cup's worth. Shake, 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 shake. Look at that, a pink Easter egg. Cheers to me.